I am going to teach you 2 acronyms to help you remember the layers and the composition in Earth's atmosphere. Okay? So first we're going to start with the composition of the atmosphere. Do you know anything about the composition of the atmosphere? No? Okay. So what we're going to start with is no one at quart wins. Okay?
Okay.
So the first one is going to be nitrogen. The second one is going to be oxygen, right? Okay. The third is going to be argon. The next is going to be
Carbon dioxide.
See, you do know a little. Ozone. And the last one is going to be water vapor and trace gases. So, how we are writing these from most abundant to least abundant. Okay? So, how are you going to be able to, like, what is this acronym going to do to help you remember it?
The beginning letter of the no one at quart wins.
Right. So that's going to help you remember it, be able to remember it when you take a test or whenever you need to know the order of it. Okay? Okay, so the next one we're going to do is we are going to do the layers. Okay, so the layers of Earth's atmosphere, we are going to do the spider man took Elmo. Okay, so do you know the layers?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so tell me what you think. Now let's do these. We're gonna do these from these layers from bottom to top. So the Spider-Man took Elmo. So since you already know the layers, what do you think the first T is gonna stand for?
Troposphere.
Yep. Okay, and then what about S?
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Okay, and what about the M?
Mesosphere.
Mesosphere. And the next T?
Thermosphere.
Thermosphere. And what about the E?
Exosphere.
Exosphere. Okay, good. So these are going to be, let's see, this top right here, this is going to be where we live. This is also where weather happens. Okay?
Okay.
And then the next one is going to be
Ozone.
Yeah. Okay. What happens in the ozone? Do you know?
The ozone keeps radiation out.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. What about the mesosphere? Meso. There be anything else that would go with that? Let's say the middle. It's the middle layer, right? Because out of the 5, it's the one in the middle. So man, meso, middle. It is also the coldest. Okay, thermosphere.
The hottest layer.
Hottest layer. And this is something cool that happens here is the Northern Lights happens here. So Polar Express. Pretty little sky party up there that happens in Polar Express. That happens in the thermosphere. Okay, and what about exosphere?
That's where the satellites orbit the Earth.
And exo, also
Exit.
Yep. And so we will exit Earth's
the
atmosphere.
Earth and go into outer space.
Right. Okay. So do you think that these 2 acronyms are going to help you on your next science test? Help you remember the layers and the composition or their atmosphere?
Yes, if I can remember the name, like the Spider-Man took Elmo.
Yeah, I think you'll be able to do it.